it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing lateral box jump overs. So when we do these, we always want to be parallel, or standing like parallel to our box, like, because we're going to jump laterally. So we want to bend at the knees, bend at the hips, and we're going to use our arms for momentum. But by doing this, we're loading up our hamstrings in an effort to bring both feet up onto the box at the same time. Now from here, we can step down, go into the next one, or jump down, back up, and over is the next rep. So if you want workouts like this that you can do from home and on your own, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.